Hello dear friends and viewers of the channel. Today I'm going to talk about a tool that I use myself and that will help make your videos look more stylish. Go to the folder where you extracted the app, open the app by clicking on the shortcut, select a video, and that's it. There's almost nothing else you need to do. Optionally, you can choose the folder where the subtitle file will be saved, or leave it as is. To launch the app, click the Recognize button. Before doing so, you can select the language of your video. Then wait while Whisper recognizes the speech right on your computer without sending the video to the cloud. Once Whisper has finished processing, go to the Proofreading tab. If there's source text that you spoke in the video, you can check it automatically. If not, just move on to the Styles tab. On the Styles tab, customize the appearance of the subtitles, font, color, Karaoke word highlighting, or simply select a preset. Let's move on to the final step on the Assemble tab. Here we can either leave everything as is, in which case the program will automatically determine the aspect ratio, or apply the edited style. Click Assemble and FFmpeg will burn the subtitles directly into the video. After a short wait, we get a modern, trendy video. Done from video to subtitles in just a couple of minutes. The app is written in pure Python and has been compiled for 3 operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You can test it by following the link in the description, or purchase it right away by scanning the QR code or clicking the link in the description. Enjoy your work. Thank you for watching until the end.